Hey guys, welcome to Easy Programming, an initiative for a common man to learn programming. This is the lecture number 4 for the series of C language tutorials. In the previous lecture, we have discussed the arithmetic and logical operators, arrays, one-dimensional arrays, two-dimensional arrays, conditional statements, if statements, multiple if statements. In this lecture, we will study if-else statement, if-else if statement, conditional operators, demonstration of conditional statements and operators. Okay, first have a look on if-else statement. What is if-else statement? If-else statement is also a conditional statement. It also has a condition on which we have to decide either we have to run this code inside the if, or we have to run the code inside the else when it is used. This is an important thing because in the simple if statement we only deal with the true case of the condition. We don't deal with the false. So if else statement deals with both true and false condition, in which we discuss the false case handling, and the syntax of the if-else statement will be discussed, and the use of if-else statement as well. Let's have a look. Okay, in the editor we have the if condition, simple if condition. This is the syntax. If this is the condition on which these statements will be skipped or not. If it is true, these statements will be executed, and if it is false, these statements will be skipped. This is the if-else statement. If-else statements deal with both the true case and the false case. If this condition is true, then the control will be transferred in this block, and these statements will be executed. And if this condition is false, the control will be transferred on else case, and this block of statement will be executed. Let's have a look. If age employer is greater than or equal to 60, printf this is your retirement time. Else printf keep on working with us. So here you can see that age of employee is the condition. If it is greater than or equal to 60, then this is the retirement time. Otherwise, keep on working with us. So first of all, this condition will be checked. If this is true, then this block will be executed, in which the string "this is your retirement name" will be displayed on the console. And if this condition is false, the employee is under 60, then this is the false case, and this block of the statement should be executed, and which it is written "keep on working with us." So if else deals with both true case and the false case. So we can use if else statement where we have to deal with the false case, single true case and single false case. Keep in mind single true and single false, in which there is one true case and there is only one false case. There is no other situation. Okay, let's move on. If else if statement. What is if else if statement? It is a conditioning statement. It also deals with the condition. So we can use this statement where we have to deal with the multiple true and multiple false case. If else condition, simple if else, deals with only one true case and only one false case. But if else if statement deals with multiple true case and multiple false case. The previous one was for single case and this is for multiple case. What is the syntax of the if else if statement? Let's have a look. This is the syntax of if else if statement. Here we write if, and then this is the condition. This is the statement of the first true case. This is the first true case. Then after this case will be evaluated. Else if. Copy. Next. So here we have multiple conditions. First condition is this: if this is wrong, this; if this is true, this block will be executed. And if it is wrong, then this condition is checked and this block of condition is evaluated. And this is the last false case, and it's block. So here you can see that you can write here that I'm just writing the pseudocode, not the proper syntax. I'm not following the proper syntax. I'm just giving you an idea. age is greater than 60, then employee is retired. If age is less than 60, so keep working. If age is exactly 60, this is the last year of job, and else all the cases are wrong. So check your age again. This is example. So what are the conditional operators? Conditional operators are also used as conditional statements. Conditional statements have nesting. Nesting means an if statement inside another statement. It means that it is like a nest. First if statement is under the another if statement. Or you can say an if statement is dependent to another if statement. We can optimize our code by using conditional operators. By using multiple ifs, we can use operators. There are two operators: AND operator, OR operator, and NOR operator as well. What is the use of operators, and what are these operators, and what are the functionalities of these operators? Let's have a look. This is the AND operator. This is the sign of AND operator. Two ampersand signs. Here is a statement, and here is a statement. If both are true, this condition will return true. I mean, if this statement is true and this statement is also true, both are true, then this whole expression will give true. Like if it means that if your age is 60 plus and your salary is 90 plus, if this condition is true and if this condition is true, if both are true, then it will display you are lucky, otherwise it will not display this. This is the OR operator. This is one statement, this is another statement. If any one of them is true, it will return the true. I mean, if this statement is true, statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false, it will return true. If this statement is false and this statement is true, it will return true. If both statements are true, then it will return true. But it will return false only and only if both statements are wrong. Like change the operator. This is our operator. if age is 60 and this like age is 85,000, salary is sorry 50,000. In this case, this is true and this is false, but the condition is true. If I write in this condition, this is true, this is wrong, but it is still true, it will return only false if this is and both are wrong, then it will not be true, it is now false. These are the statements. Let's have a look on false statement. If let's have okay, this is a not operator. If C is 11 and this condition means 5 plus 5 10, C is not equal to 10, it means 11 is not equal to 10. If it is right, then this will be printed right, and if let's see 10 and now 10 is not equal to 10, this is a wrong statement, so it will not display this. This is a not operator. So here we see the demonstration of if else if and if else and if else if and or and not operator simultaneously. This is quite interesting. Now this is a compact code. It contains all the if statements. Now I try to teach you. These are the header files. This is the main function. You are already known. These are the variables. This is the integer type variable and this is the float type variable. Okay. This program checks whether you are a boy or a girl of mature age, that is above 18 or equal to 18, and which campus will be allotted to you. So first of all, control transfers here, and then these variables are declared and initialized. Then this if condition is checked, either if age of the student is greater than or equal to 18. If it is greater than or equal to 18, then it means it's true, then it will enter in this code. So if gender of the student is male, if it is male, then this is true, this code will be executed. Printf go to the boys campus because you are percentage d years old. This is the format specified for the integer and you are male. This else if not m, I mean not a male, it will check either it is female. If it is female, this code will be executed. If it is neither male nor female, then this will be executed. Or if this is the part of this statement, this block of code is dependent to this condition if it is true, and if it is wrong, this else will be called, this will be executed. So let's have a look. Here we have age 18 and male. Compile. Oh yes, it is done. Run. So what is the output? Go to the boys campus because you are 18 years old and you are male. 18 is percentage d from age student end. Because it is 18 years old and it is male, so boys campus will be allotted to him. Now we change it and we say it is female. Good. Now the output says that go to the girls campus because you are 18 years old and you are female, so this line is executed because age is 18, true, and female, this is true, so this is the case. Now change a female, neither female nor male. Compile, run. So here you have the output. You cannot study in this college because neither you are male nor female. Let's have a look. It is S, not F, not M. So this line is executed. Now we change this age. 14, sex to male. Compile, execute. Okay, it is saying that you are underage because you are 14 years old. First complete your school level. This is 14 years old. It doesn't matter he is male or female. If it is underage, the first condition will be false. This condition is false and this false case is executed. You are underage because, so you have seen all the cases. So here we can use the condition statements if for the decision making. Okay, now the demonstration of and, or, and not. Let's see, this is a demonstration, the same demonstration as we have seen in this tab. So here the same header files, the main function, the main block, this is the variable, and this is the first condition. If age is less than 18, it means that the person is underage, so this will be called this line. If age is 18 and, look at this, and gender of student is male, means that if the age is 18 and the male and the student is male. If both are true, then this statement will be called. Otherwise, no. If the age is greater than 18 and gender is female, this will be called. If gender is female, neither female nor male, then this will be called. So let's have a look on the output. Yeah, because it is 18 and male, so this line is called. Go to boys campus because you are 18 years old and you are a male. Let's have a look. Okay. Go to the girls campus because you are 18 years old and you are a female. Look at this. This is female. This is 18 years old. Now, if it is underage 14, you are underage because you are 14 years old. First complete your school level. The first line is true. Now, age rating, gender is not defined. Okay. You cannot study in this college because neither you are male nor female. As you know, this the age is legal 18, but the gender is not legal. So this is the outcome. So guys, summing up this lecture to tell you about the next lecture. Okay. We have discussed today the if else statement, its demonstration, if else if statement, its demonstration, conditional operators, and the demonstration of the whole. It is, I think, optimized and very much close to the concept. In the next lecture, we will discuss a very important thing: loop, for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Thrice of them are very important and they are widely used in the programming. In every language, loop is the mandatory part. So this is all about for today's lecture. Give the feedbacks, post the comments, subscribe us. Thank you for your patience and thank you for the watching.